Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to access and use the new Google Generative AI writer inside your Gmail messages. So if you want to use AI to write or help you write your Gmail messages or Gmail emails, then you can use the new Generative AI writer in Gmail. And this is now a beta experimental feature that you can see here by clicking here. But currently you won't get access by default to it, because first you have to sign up for the Google Workspace Labs waitlist. I have made another tutorial on how to do that. I will link the URL of this video in the description below, where I show you how to sign up for the Google Workspace Labs waitlist, which is necessary to be able to get access to the new AI writer in Gmail. And once you get access, you will get an email about it, that now you have access to it. And you can also check it if you have access to it if you see this AI writer icon here. So if you hover over this, as you can see, help me write Workspace Labs. So this is an experimental beta feature. And if you click on this, as you can see, Google will also recommend some prompts here that you can use. Let's see an example. So as you can see, I have added the following prompt: write me an email for a business meeting that I want to have on Google Meet on next week, where I want to talk about potential affiliate marketing opportunities. Right? So once you have added the prompt, just click on create, and the generative AI writer in Gmail will write us a full email, as you can see here. Dear name of recipient, I'm writing you today to schedule a meeting to discuss potential affiliate marketing opportunities. I believe that our two companies could work together to create a mutually beneficial partnership. So as you can see, this is quite good. Of course, if you want to regenerate the AI content, you can click on recreate, or you can also formalize the email, elaborate, or shorten the email if you want to do that. And of course, if you are not happy with what Google Generative AI has come up with, you can always fine-tune your prompt you have used for the Gmail email. But all in all, this is how to access and use the new Generative AI writer in your Gmail account.